For a good day today, we are going to look at database report. So I'm going to take some few questions and explain how to create a report, how to group and sort, as well as doing calculations in report. Right, first of all, I'm going to use the table, Northwest question paper, please state question paper, RPT3_4. Now, whenever you have a report and you need to edit it, you right click and then you select design view. Right. Now, in most cases, you won't find group and sort there. So you go to tell me what to do, then you type group and sort. You type group and sort so that you see add group and add sort over there. Let's say we want to group according to gender, and then we also want to sort according to name. We use the group and sort to do that. Now, to perform a calculation, you click on group on, let's say, gender, and then you click on more. Then you'll find with no totals. Whenever you click on that arrow, you will see totals on. So let's say, for instance, we want to find the average age for each gender group. So the totals on, you select age, and then the type will be average. Because the question says for each, you take the last one, show subtotal in group footer. But then if in examination, let's say you forget, just take the first and then the last. But then whenever you get a question that says for each, you take the last one, that is show subtotal in group footer. So now you'll find a question or you find a calculation in the group footer. Now, at times, they will ask you to also put a border around this. So you can put that, or maybe change the average values into decimals. So you can go to the decimal and choose, let's say, 2 decimal place, and then the format to be fixed. Right. Then again, regarding report, you can be given a question to also change a certain field into combo box. Let's say you want to change this field to combo box, you click on it. Or we want to change the gender to combo box. You click on the gender value. Right, we don't have it here. So let's say membership status, you right click, change to, and then you select combo box. Then you add the values from the data like we did in the forms. Right, just like the forms, you can equally be asked to change the background color. You right click, you see fill color, and then you select the color of that the question is asking you to do that. And then you can also be asked to insert an image in the header. Also, you go to report design, and then you find insert image. Then you draw it there. You can also be asked to insert the date and time in the report. Right. Now let's look at another question. I have here, it says create a report. This one is GDE 2023. And then the database is 5 fixtures. So we have here, say create a report called RPT5_6 based on the TBL match schedules table as follows. Display all the fields, sort record by the match field in descending order, and insert a function to determine or to display the number of matches played per city. So meaning we have to group according to city. Even though the question did not tell us to group, but because of the keyword here per city, we have to group according to city. Right. Now let's look at that one, 5 fixture. So let's look at 5 fixtures. We are going to create a report. called RPT5_6. So we go to create, and then report, we use report wizard. Whenever you are creating a report or form, use the wizard. Report wizard. Now that it should be based on TBL match schedules. And according to the question, we have to display all the fields. So you double click on this one. Next, and we have to sort according to the question. We must sort according to the question says we have to sort by, let's check again. Right, it says sort according to the match, and then we should find the number of matches played per city. So we have to sort according to match. You double click. Oh, this is the grouping. So we must group according to city, and then next we sort according to match fields in descending order. So descending order, you click on ascending so that it changes to descending order. Then next, and then the name of the report should be RPT5_6. You modify in the design. Right. So with this, we have to activate the group and sort by clicking group and sort here in the report design, or you tell me what to do, and then you click on, you search for sort and grouping, and then you go to more, where you see with no totals. The question is you must find the total number of match per city. So you click on match and count values, then you take show subtotal in group footer. Right. So with this, sometimes they can give you a question that you must insert appropriate data label. So you click A and small a, and then you draw it so that you can type the label there. Total number per city. Right. So basically, this is how we create a report or we modify a report. The same way you can also be asked to do conditional formatting and other properties. Right. So I would like you to go through other report questions. For the report, you can see DBE June 2021, question 5.6. Eastern Cape 2022, question 4.5. So all these, you can try them, and then you'll be able to solve all forms of report question. Now, there are times that you can get a report whereby they will only give you a screenshot. They'll only give you a screenshot. Like, for instance, this one here, they only gave us a screenshot. This is Free State 2022 membership. Question number 3.5, membership table. So now we are asked to create or modify that report. Yeah, this was the one. We create report wizard. Now let's check. We have the name, we have the age, we have the membership status, and then we have the chronic. And then you can see that the age, they have applied conditional formatting here. That is for 18 and above. It has been shaded and then underlined. And then the membership status are also having borders around them. So let's add them. It's the name followed by age, membership status, and chronic. The name followed by age, membership status, and then chronic. Then we finish. Now, here is it. But then let's check whether they perform any grouping. You realize that there was no grouping performed here. Yeah, there was grouping performed under membership status. You can see Emerald are all together. So we have to group according to membership status. We have to group according to membership status. So add group membership status. And then now there was also conditional formatting performed on age. So you go to the details, the age one. Conditional formatting, you can use tell me what to do, or alternatively, you can go to format, you see conditional formatting. On age, new rule, field value is greater or equals to 18. And it should be filled with a color and then underline. Then we apply it. Right, and there was also a line under age. So we go to the design, you look for a line, this line, and then we draw it under the age. Right. So you have to straighten it so that it becomes properly done. So this is how it was done, and then put a screenshot. Right, thank you.